Hi friends, I am Clark. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the emoji symbol on your Google Docs mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert the emoji symbol in Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this short video. So I just opening a document here, click on this edit option. Now I just going to show how to insert the emoji symbol here. So you just need to click on I just using Google keyboard here, and there is no insert symbol option available on the Google Docs mobile. So I am just using Google keyboard. Here you can see an option for inserting the emojis. Click this, and here you can just insert the emojis. You can see smiley emojis and lot of different type of emojis over here. You can easily insert like this. And if you want to anger emoji, just click on this search option here. So this is a new update of the emojis and also the Google keyboard. So you can just use this option and you can insert emojis like this. And this is how you just insert emoji on Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.